Hey creatives, in this video I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful map animation in a very few simple steps. First, select the layer and turn on the grid. Then simply I'm drag and dropping my icon, then aligning a bit. Then I'm downloading a map from the free pick. You see, I got most of my assets from here only. Then I'm adding into my artboard. Simply I'm sending the back. Then I'm adding on a rectangle for the header. I'm just tweaking a bit, like adding a corner edges and the drop shadows. And I'm selecting all of them and grouping together. Then I'm duplicating the same rectangle for creating a small card in a bottom. Then I'm adding that image into the card and few text. I'm duplicating the same card for one more time. Again I'm tweaking the value. For in case you can change your different image and text like that. Then I am using my pen tool for creating the path. For better visibility, I'm just increasing the size. And adding the shadow. For the shadow, I'm using the same color of what I have used for the path, because if you add it, you can see some glowing effect out of it. Then I'm adding a map and location icons. For creating the path animation, we need to adjust the border value. For now, I'm just adding both dash and gaps for 500. You could see nothing happened, right? Which means you have done it correct. Then I'm duplicating the artboard and reducing the opacity for the location and the pin. For movement, I'm changing the value to 0. You can see got disabled. For other artboard, I'm adjusting for the card like the selected state. Then just add a prototype. You can have a trigger function as a tag, auto animate, easy in out, and 2 seconds. You could see the one problem here, the final part, it's not working proper because of my gap value. So I'm increasing the value to 1000 for both places. Don't forget to change both places. So I'm increasing the value to 1000 for the both artboards. We'll check. Yes guys, it's working perfect.